Another day, another safety tips. 1. What is safety? It is a condition which gives you freedom from hazard, risk, accident which may cause injury, damage and loss to material or property damage and even death. Safety is defined as freedom from those conditions that can cause injury to persons including death or damage to property or environment. 2. What is accident? It is an unexpected or unplanned event which may or may not result in injury or damage or property loss or death. 3. What is injury? It is defined as a harmful condition sustained by the body as a result of an accident. 4. What is hazard? Inherent property of a substance or an occurrence which has potential to cause loss or damage property, person or environment. Any condition, source, or act which have the potential to damage and harm the human injury and health or birth. 5. What is risk? Improbability of the realization of potential for loss or damage or injury. 6. What is incident? An incident is an event that could lead to loss of, or disruption to, an organization's operations, services or functions. An instance of something happening, an unexpected event or occurrence that does not result in serious injury or illness but may result in property damage. 7. What is safety policy? Any company has a social and legal obligation to provide a safe and health working environment to all his improvement and safety of the employees. 8. What is safety audit? The safety audit is the process that identifies unsafe conditions and unsafe acts the plant and recommended safety improvement. Walk through it evaluates the unsafe condition noticed able to naked eye during work through the plant. Stores, civil work, erection work, intermediate more detailed study and review of plant design and plant operation. It evaluates the safety factors in the plant on the base engineering, analysis, testing, and measurement. 9. What is safety tag? Safety tag can be defined as a surface made of cardboard or paperboard on which English local languages letters written for warning safety instructions to employees. 10. What is safety program? Safety program can be defined as 5 methods by which accident can be prevented easily. They are engineering, education, enforcement, enthusiasm and example. Safety programs are plain spoken and carry out certain legal steps. 11. What is attitude? Attitude may be described as continuous behavior. If man's behavior is good, then his action will be either correct or safe. 12. What is emergency planning? Emergency planning is the course of action a company takes in order to minimize the effects of an incident or crisis. The main objective of emergency planning is to reduce injuries, protect the community and maintain business continuity. An emergency plan usually includes necessary procedures during a crisis, a clear set of roles and responsibilities and established instructions for local emergency response and recovery bodies. This is a crucial part of keeping staff safe. 13. What is work permit system? Work permit system is a written document for permission to undertake a job by area in charge, or it is written document issued by the area in charge to the performer to undertake the specific job. 14. What is work at height? Any work above 2 meters from ground is called work at height. 15. What is confined space? An area which is small and enclosed, or an area where one entry and exits or where a man cannot work comfortable in any location is called confined space. 16. What is excavation? Marking a hole or tunnel by digging the ground by man or machine is called excavation. 17. What is scaffolding? It is a temporary platform constructed for supporting both men and materials and working safety at a construction site. 18. What is welding? The process of joining of metals either by electrical or by gas is called welding. 19. What is gas cutting? The process of joining of cutting metals by using oxygen and combustible gas is called gas cutting. 20. What is current, voltage, and resistance? Electrical charge. Electricity is the movement of electrons. Electrons create charge, which we can harness to do work. Light bulb, stereo, phone, etc., are all harnessing the movement of the electrons in order to do work. They all operate using the same basic power source, the movement of electrons. The three basic principles for this tutorial can be explained using electrons, or more specifically, the charge they create. Voltage is the difference in charge between 2 points. Current is the rate at which charge is flowing. Resistance is a material's tendency to resist the flow of charge, current. So, when we talk about these values, we are really describing the movement of charge, and thus, the behavior of electrons. A circuit is a closed loop that allows charge to move from one place to another. Components in the circuit allow us to control this charge and use it to do work. V equals voltage in volts, I equals current in amps, R equals resistance in ohms, Ohm's law. 21. What is electricity? Electricity is the flow of electrical power or charge. It is a secondary energy source, which means that we get it from the conversion of other sources of energy, like coal, natural gas, oil, nuclear power and other natural sources, which are called primary sources. 22. What is DC and AC current? Direct current, DC, is the flow of electric charge in only one direction. It is the steady state of a constant voltage circuit. Most well-known applications alternating current, AC, is the flow of electric charge that periodically reverses direction. If the source varies periodically, particularly the circuit is known as an alternating current circuit. Examples include the commercial and residential power that serves so many of our needs. 23. What is sandblasting? The process of removing rust, dust, dirt, scales and old prints from the old surface using compressed air is called sandblasting. 24. What is painting? The process after sandblasting is called painting. 25. What is LEL? Lower exposure limit. The minimum concentration of vapor, gases and dust in air below which propagation of flame does not occur on contact with a source of ignition is called LEL. Example, LEL of acetylene is 2.5. Thanks for watching.